10 watts Atmorea solar fountain pump. Enjoy visual art. 9 nozzle spray. Pump level 4 mode. 5 LED lights for nighttime. Long lasting, built-in 2000 mAh battery. Easy to use. Control box operation. 6 to 8 meters remote control operation. Excellent design. 3 meters solar panel cable plus 5 meters water pump power cable. Waterproof design. 2 charging modes. Solar panel charging mode. Type-C charging mode. How to use 10 watts solar fountain pump. Step 1. Install the fountain pump nozzle. Choose the type of nozzle you like and insert it into the fountain pump. Step 2. Install solar panels. Install the bracket on the back of the solar panel. Step 3. Wiring. Insert the solar panel power plug into the hole on the left and the water pump power plug into the hole on the right. Attention! The installation interface prompts for alignment and insertion, otherwise the battery may be damaged. Step 4. Place the fountain pump into the water. Step 5. Press the battery controller on-off button. Press and hold the pump level button for 3 seconds. Then the water pump starts to work, turning your garden into a haven of tranquility and charm.